Baidu reported a loss for the first quarter, which is notable because this is the first quarterly loss the Chinese search giant has posted since it went public in 2005. Shares of Baidu falling on Friday, Andy, and hitting a 6-year low.
Yeah, it turns out 80% market share in your core market doesn't really help you now so much. When you look at the revenues up 15% or 21% if you break out if you don't include some of the businesses they've sold. But their core revenues were lower than the midpoint guidance they gave by more than 1 billion Chinese yuan. So strengths in education, retail, and their commerce sectors, which were balanced, offset by the healthcare weakness, online gaming, financial services. Their online revenues their other revenues continue to be very strong, driven by iQIYI, which did not have that great of a quarter and has kind of struggled as well too. But like you said, Chris, first operating loss ever. The guidance was weak for the year for the quarter on the revenue side, but really the investments they are making, traffic acquisition costs up 41% costs up 41%, content costs up 47%, bandwidth costs, SG&A costs, R&D costs, just these big investments that Baidu feels like it has to make to remain competitive is clearly hurting the operating profits of that business.
Baidu is often referred to as the Google of China. It is a fraction of Alphabet's size, market cap around $45 billion. But everything you just said combined with just everything I've read about this quarter, it makes me wonder if they're going to be stuck at this market cap for a while now because, as you pointed out, when you dominate your home market, I mean, there's only so much better that can get.
Yeah, I think you're right, Chris. And, it's now not a very expensive stock when you look at it from an earnings multiple perspective or revenue. It's less than 3 times sales, and it sells for less than 20 times earnings. And clearly, investors aren't really expecting it to grow much higher than, certainly not what it used to do, and probably not more than 10% a year. So I think as they make these investments in AI and technology to be competitive in the Chinese space, it's going to hurt the bottom line, and the growth expectations are going to be slower than what they used to be.